another episode where we help bust fake, false, and misleading information. First up is this claim going rounds on social media that consuming alkaline food can kill the coronavirus. Now, this claim is absolutely false. This post that's going around on social media also lists some substances that are apparently rich in alkalinity, which is, again, the list includes examples like lemon and mango and pineapples and other various fruits that are not alkaline at all. In fact, they are acidic. However, that is besides the point, because the claim that alkaline substances can kill the coronavirus is absolutely bogus. In other news, it's being claimed that under the Prime Minister, there's a scheme called PM Mask Yojana, under which free masks are being distributed to the public in India. Again, this is absolutely false. There's a link also being provided, and that's a fraudulent link. Viewers are advised not to click on it if they come across this post. There is no distribution of free masks, at least not under any government schemes. NGOs may be sending them out to people who cannot afford masks. But for the general public, this is not true at all. In fact, of course, wearing masks is mandatory even in public places. And you are permitted to wear masks that are made at home, or you are even permitted to cover your face with cloth in the absence of a mask. Besides this, there's another claim doing the rounds that the government is providing a rupees 4,000 scholarship for English medium students to study at home digitally. This again is false information. The link provided along with this viral post is a fraudulent link. You're advised not to click on it. There is no such scheme under the central government or any state government for scholarships for home tuition in English. However, the government is pushing for digital education and using more technology in teaching and online classes and distance learning, etc. But nowhere is there any mention of any scholarship. And lastly, Baba Ramdev at an event has a few days ago claimed that holding your breath for at least 30 seconds or more can be a test for COVID-19 for both symptomatic and asymptomatic patients. This is not true at all, because there are specific tests involved in detecting the coronavirus specifically. Holding your breath, if you're able to do that, may only indicate that your health is good, your lungs are performing well, but this is not a specific test for coronavirus. Also, he's also claimed that generally, if you put drops of mustard oil into your nose and inhale it as it passes through your throat and down through your food pipe and into your stomach, through this route, apparently the virus can be killed. But once again, this claim is false. There is nothing backed by science, no evidence backed by science to claim of these claims. These claims are not at all proven by science. There are tests specifically to be conducted to detect coronavirus, and inhaling oil cannot prevent or kill this infection. However, the methods suggested by Baba Ramdev are generally good practices for robust health in the long term and for your well-being in the long term. That's all on this episode. Let us know if you come across any information you want us to probe into. Thanks for watching.